Well, hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for a robot vacuum to clean while avoiding obstacles in your home, you have a few choices. Today I'm going to put the Dreametech L10 Pro against my Roborock S6 MaxV to see which one does it better. If you want to see which one of these does a better job at avoiding obstacles, the link is in the description below. Let's get started with the testing. In the first mopping test with the Dreame L10 Pro, I used hot sauce that was heated and baked onto the floor. The L10 Pro was set on the highest water level, and I chose standard mopping. You see, the L10 Pro has a deep mopping mode where it mops in tighter zigzag lines, but for equal comparison to the S6 MaxV, I chose the standard mode. The water tank was filled with room temperature water, and the mopping pad was pre-wet. After 2 passes over the stains, the L10 Pro removed about 95% of the stains. And now on to the S6 MaxV. Alright, so here we are with the long-term tester. It's getting up there in age now. The Roborock S6 MaxV, which uses the front-facing cameras for object avoidance. Doesn't come into play here. It is once again mopping up dried on hot sauce for this test. The water tank was filled with room temperature water and the pad was pre-wet before this test. I set the mopping level to its highest setting. The S6 MaxV does not have a special deep mopping mode like the L10 Pro. After 2 passes, it removed nearly all of the hot sauce. Looking at the mopping system here on the L10 Pro, you have a standard size washable and reusable mopping pad that's attached to the electronically fed water tank. This allows up to 3 different levels of water flow that you can control via the app. The water tank is 264 milliliters in size, and I really like this design. It's all-in-one with the tank and mopping pad as one unit. And here with the Roborock S6 MaxV, we have the same standard size mopping pad here, with a slightly larger 290 milliliter water tank. This system is also electronically controlled with 4 levels of water flow, and it too can be set in the app. Alright, first up here is the L10 Pro with the carpet pickup test. I scattered a 1/4 cup or exactly 50 grams of rice on my carpet here, and I set the L10 Pro on its highest suction level, giving it 1 pass to pick up as much rice as possible. And here is the Roborock S6 MaxV, and it too was set to its highest suction level and given 1 pass to pick up as much rice as possible. So which one of these object avoiding robot vacuums did the best? The L10 Pro was able to pick up 45 grams of rice, which is 90% of the 50 grams in total. The S6 MaxV was only able to pick up 37 grams of rice, which is only 74% of the total 50 grams. And this is due to the S6 MaxV having a slower roller brush speed on carpet. So let's compare the dustbins between these two robot vacuums. The dustbin in the S6 MaxV is a bit smaller at 480 milliliters versus the larger one in the L10 Pro, the 570 milliliters. Other than that, the L10 Pro has a mesh screen over the removable replaceable filter that allows for easy cleanup and is much appreciated. The L10 Pro nearly tied the Roborock S6 MaxV on my hard floor cleaning test, and it beat the S6 MaxV in the carpet pickup test. With the L10 Pro being several $100s cheaper than the S6 MaxV, it appears to be a solid pick. Or is it? Stay tuned as I will have a full 3-month usage review of the L10 Pro where I will cover some of the L10 Pro's flaws. If you've not already, please hit the subscribe button and like this video if you want to see more like this. Have a good one everyone, and take it easy out there. Bye bye.